We are going to discuss summarization in these visuals. Well, summarization, also known as supernetting, it is also known as aggregation. This one concept is represented by three names: summarization, supernetting, and aggregation. Well, summarization is a process in which we summarize different networks into one network. We will use summarization process under routing protocols, and we will discuss different routing protocols under routing section later in the same series. Well, let's discuss networks which can be summarized and those which cannot be summarized. So you can see two headings here: contiguous networks and discontiguous networks. Well, contiguous networks are those networks in which networks give the look of continuation of the previous network, whereas discontiguous networks gives entirely different look from other networks. Let me show you. Here it is. You can see this list is contiguous network. You can see each network gives the look of continuation of the previous network apart from the first network. Well, in these networks, each network provides the look entirely different from other networks. Well, while designing our network, we have to be very careful about that. We should design our network in contiguous networks so that we can summarize these networks into one network. And let me tell you, summarization is not possible on discontiguous networks, so be aware of all these processes. Let's move how we summarize the networks. But we know that it is contiguous networks. Then we have to look, there are almost three steps. At first you look where the changing is taking place. It is the third octet where the changing is taking place. Second step is just determine the difference between the first and the last. So the difference is almost, look at the first and last, it is 0 and 5, almost 4 5. Well, this is the difference. So the third step, you have to apply suitable block size here. The suitable block size which covers all these networks is 8. So which subnet mask gives the block size of 8? So let's memorize those rules. Okay, from left to right, from by enabling bit 1 for, look at the third, it is the octet number 3. So for third octet, by enabling first bit 128, by second 192, by third enabling third bit 224, then 240, and then 248. Then 248 gives us the block size of 8. So 8, so 248, it is, we enabled 5 bits for third octet, so it would be 16 and 5 21. So 10.0.0.0/21. So this is our summarized network. Yes, it is, and it is the subnetwork. I am right. The answer is also right here, because this network ranges from 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.7.254. These are the valid IP address range. The broadcast address is 10.0.7.255. The next network is 10.0.8.0/21. So this network covering all these networks. So we are going to play with a lot of examples for IP addresses and summarization in upcoming visuals. So if you feel any problem, just replay these visuals and be prepared for upcoming visuals. Thank you.